Can an internet radio be created using an ESP32 in just 12 lines of code? First, you need to download the ESP8266 Audio Library by Earl Philhauer from GitHub. Next is the speaker output. I used a BC548, but any small signal NPN transistor will be fine. Next is the code. As always, I have gone with the simplest possible implementation to reduce the points of failure. We start with the includes for the various libraries. Next, we create these pointers. We can't create the objects here though, as they must be created in the setup function. Next, we create these pointers and also create the objects to save a few lines. Now we connect the Wi-Fi. Make sure you enter your SSID and password here. Now we open the stream and allocate the buffer. Now we start it playing. You can change the URL to your favourite station. This is the simplified housekeeping code. After you upload the code, your ESP32 will connect to the radio station and start playing. You can of course change to audio output I2S and use an external DAC to play proper hi-fi stereo. Refer to my previous videos for more information on how to use the different options with this library. If the playback is erratic, you can try increasing the buffer size. So, how can we make it sound better? There is a way to produce high quality sound without an external DAC. All you will need is 2 resistors and 2 capacitors, but you will need an external amplifier. The answer is PDM, or pulse density modulation. This simulates a DAC by sending a stream of pulses at high frequency. By leaving gaps in the pulse sequence, the average output is reduced. As you can see from the diagram, the result is similar to PWM, creating an analog output. To make it work, just requires a simple stereo filter to properly shape the signal and recreate the analog waveform. The outputs are on pins D25 and D26. As mentioned earlier, the output needs to be amplified, so you can connect the outputs to a phono socket, then plug it into a set of amplified speakers. Or you can design your own amplifier. The component values were chosen by experimenting. The output level could be improved by further experimentation if necessary. And here is the code. There's not much difference between the original code and this new code. First, the include for audio output I2S no DAC.h is changed to audio output I2S.h. The declaration and object creation line also needs to be changed. And that's it. So, how does it sound? So, we must now ask the question. Can an internet radio be created using an ESP32 in just 12 lines of code? Fail.